Many Peach software clients are putting through in excess of 400 or 500 transactions a day. That might be customer orders, it might be invoices, point of sale, but it means that it needs to be fast and keyboard friendly, because grabbing and clicking that mouse always slows you down. We've made a tweak recently which you may not have noticed. It's very slight, but it will help you put through transactions faster. Let me show you how that works. So this new feature is available from any of the transaction screens. It's when you add a new customer, product or supplier. I'm going to show you in the add new product screen because that's got a little bit more information that I want to show you as well. So let's type in a part number. So I'll put in a part called Pacific, and it doesn't exist in my system, so I'm going to add a new product, and it comes up with the add new product screen. So in the add new product screen, of course, you can enter, that'll go through, you can arrow up and down, you can even use your tab key. The problem was when you got to a combo box, you would have to grab the mouse and you'd have to click it so that the combo box expands. So this slows everybody down. So what we've done, if you notice here, once I'm on it, if I highlight the next one and come back up again, you'll see there's a right and left arrow. So that means you can push the right or left arrow to actually expand the box, so you don't have to grab for the mouse. So I hit the right arrow and my box opens. Now I could start searching for the group if I like, so I can search by name, so car cover, and car cover comes up, enter, and then arrow down again. Or I can just arrow out to the right and use my arrow key once it's open to hit enter, put it in the box, and then once it's closed I can use my arrow key to move down. So always using the arrow key or the enter or the tab key is much faster than, as I said, grabbing for the mouse. One thing while I'm in here I'd like to also remind you of is when you come from the POS or an invoice screen, it brings the customer into customer price here. So that means that if you've got a matrix for that customer, either a group, subgroup, a markup or a price level, and you put a product in, and if you put it into one of those group, subgroup, markup, price level codes and you put a cost in, it's going to automatically generate the selling prices for you. So this means it doesn't slow you down trying to make decisions about how to price the product while you've got the customer in front of you. So that automates it a lot more, again adding to the speed of the whole process. So there you have it. That's a new feature. It's a very slight feature. Have a look at it, play around with it. It's really great to use, very fast. Developers did a great job on this, so I hope you appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.